Hey guys, it's Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and today I want to talk about some of the strategies you should employ when you're interviewing a real estate professional to sell your home. First off, one of the things that's most important in general is communication. You want to make sure that the professional you're working with is transparent about the cadence that they're going to communicate with you and the manner in which they want to communicate with you. You should be able to comfortable to ask them, hey, if I have a question at 7 o'clock in the afternoon, can I reach you? Hey, if someone tells me that they're interested in my property, do I handle it from my end or do I talk to you? These questions might seem simple, might seem basic, but it's important for you to ask your real estate professional, what to do in those situations. And what are they going to do on their part to make sure that they sell your home for the best price possible in the market that we face ourselves in. If these questions or others are coming to mind and you're not getting the great answers or not getting answers that show that the client is the real estate professional is taking you seriously, then perhaps you're dealing with the wrong person and maybe I'm your guy. You can reach me at 727-303-1521 or on my social media at CD Selling St. Pete and ask me a couple of questions and maybe we can talk.